Welcome back. Now that our PostgreSQL server and the PSYCOPG2 connector are ready, we use the pgadmin graphical tool to structure our environment. We need to create a new database and a simple table. 1. Creating the database. Open pgadmin and connect to your local server. Right-click on the databases node in the Object Explorer and select Create, then Database. Name your new database PythonDB. This action saves us from running a create database query manually. 2. Accessing the SQL editor. Once the database is created, click on it, and then click the query tool icon, often represented by a sheet of paper with a magnifying glass or a tiny SQL icon. This opens the SQL editor, ready for us to define our table. 3. Creating the products table. We will create a table named products to store a few items. The SQL syntax is very similar to MySQL. Note the PostgreSQL specific data type, serial. This handles the auto-incrementing integer key automatically, equivalent to auto_increment in MySQL. We define ID as serial primary key, name as varchar, and price as numeric for accurate currency storage. To summarize, our PostgreSQL database is structured and ready. The final step is switching back to Python to connect and insert our first record using the PostgreSQL connector. Our next lecture 29.06. Connect and insert. See you there.